Hello, my name is Veronica Cortez Perez, and I'm going to talk about Black Panther analysis. The three themes I chose is absence of father, challenging power structure, and identity. First, absence of father. In the movie, we see a kid growing up without a father and goes to the wrong path and seeks revenge to the people that hurt him. In the end, the kid who's now a grown up dies. This is somewhat the same in African American community. Kids without a father figure may lead to mental health problems like depression and anxiety and could lead to suicide. It could also lead for the child to have unemployment and experience homelessness. Why? Without a father figure, kids are most likely to drop out of school and not have a person to discipline them. Then there's challenge power structure. In the movie, we see a leader who cares for the community. However, then comes the cousin that challenges the main character, Black Panther, to fights for the throne. He takes over and makes different decisions, destroys the traditions that Wakanda has, and wants to take over the world. People fight against this and try to take the power back and give it to Black Panther. It's the same in the African American community, where people fight against unjust and unfair laws. For example, in the past, they fought for civil rights and they boycotted and protested and found leaders that helped them. And then we see identity in the movie. As we saw in the movie, we saw women have more rights and more opportunities. However, in the African American community, we do see opportunities. However, they do not have the support they need and they struggle. We also see women embrace their culture and do not change their looks. However, in the African American community, because our society thinks that light skin and straight hair is beautiful, people in the African American community change their skin and change their hair. And then we see culture that they in the movie they embrace. However, in the African American community, we do not see that very much. They do sometimes they think that they're only American and they do not embrace their African culture. However, they acknowledge it, however, don't embrace it fully. Then we see in the interview of Chadwick Boseman, we see that he talks about culture and how they embrace it and brought through their roots. And in society, in African American society, we see that too, that it reconnects it. However, some of them do not acknowledge it. And in Lupita Nyong'o, we see how she talks about women opportunities, and we see that too in African American society. However, there are ideals for the African American women to have light skin and straight hair. And they also have struggles. In the source I have right here, it tells them that they do work and they are not acknowledged for it though. And father absence, I have it as a negative because we see children go through emotions and phases and could lead to mental health issues. In the challenge power structure, I think of it as a positive because it fights for they fight unjust laws. Then we see again the effect of the identified themes in the African American community. It can lead the child to have anxiety and depression and could lead through behavioral problems. In the end, I found that there are similarities in challenging power structure, for they both fought what they believe in and what was right. And then in the African American, they fought for equal rights and they fought for the power to go back to the person who could use it right. However, in identity, there are differences because women in the movie have more rights than people in the African American community. Well, they do have rights, however, they do not have the support they need like they did in the movie. In the absence of father, it's similar because both of them led to a wrong path, and in the end, they might lead to mental health issues and will lead to revenge. Maybe. Here are pictures that I chose that has a sense of identity and the culture, especially in the tribe right here where they were trying to choose a leader. Here is the same picture basically in our African American community, not the same, however, it's the fight for challenging power structure where they want to have rights. Thank you.